Most people who want to make money online start by searching for a shortcut. They look for the newest app, the easiest side hustle, or the next big trend. But the internet does not pay people for finding tricks. It pays people for creating value. A better strategy is to find a real problem, learn how to solve it, and offer that solution to people who are already willing to pay. One of the simplest ways to begin is freelancing. You do not need an office, a large audience, or expensive equipment. You can start with skills such as video editing, copywriting, graphic design, social media management, virtual assistants, research, translation, or customer support. Pick one skill instead of trying to learn everything at once. Build 3 strong examples of your work, even as practice projects. Then make a simple offer that tells potential clients exactly what you can do and what result they can expect. For example, instead of saying, "I edit videos," say, "I turn long videos into short clips designed for social media." That offer is clearer because it focuses on a problem. Businesses do not really buy video editing. They buy time, better content, and sometimes more attention from customers. The clearer your offer, the easier it becomes for someone to say yes. Another route is content creation. You can build an audience on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, a podcast, or a newsletter. Your content needs to be useful, entertaining, educational, or emotionally valuable. You can eventually monetize through sponsorships, memberships, affiliate marketing, digital products, or your own services. You do not need millions of followers. A smaller, trusted audience can be more valuable than a huge audience. Digital products can also create income without requiring you to trade every hour for money. You could sell templates, planners, spreadsheets, checklists, design assets, research guides, or short courses. The best products solve one specific problem. A guide called "How to Grow Your Business" is vague. A guide called "30 Instagram Post Ideas for Local Restaurants" is specific. Specific problems create specific buyers. Affiliate marketing is another option, but it should be approached carefully. You can recommend software, tools, books, or services and receive a commission when someone buys through your referral. It works best when your recommendation is genuinely useful. If you promote anything simply because it pays you, your audience will eventually notice. Trust is one of the most valuable assets you can build online, and losing it can be much more expensive than missing one commission. If you already have professional experience, online consulting can be even more powerful. People pay for expertise because mistakes cost money. You might help companies with marketing, sales, hiring, operations, finance education, or technology. The goal is not to pretend you know everything. It is to use your experience to help someone reach a result faster or avoid expensive mistakes. But there is one rule every beginner should remember. Ignore promises of guaranteed income. The internet is full of videos claiming you can make thousands of dollars quickly with no experience. Real businesses rarely work that way. You will face rejection. Some offers will fail. Some clients will disappear. You will probably make mistakes before you find a system that works. That is normal and part of learning online and growing a business. A smarter plan is simple. Choose one skill. Choose one type of customer. Create one clear offer. Build a few examples. Contact potential clients consistently. Listen to their objections. Improve your offer. Deliver excellent work. Ask for testimonials. Then repeat the process. Your first goal should not be $10,000 a month. Your first goal should be your first real paying customer. Then your first repeat customer. Then your first month where online income becomes predictable. The internet did not eliminate competition. It eliminated many traditional barriers. You can reach customers across cities, countries, and time zones from one device. So stop searching for the perfect online business. Find a useful problem. Learn a valuable skill. Solve the problem better than most beginners. And keep doing it long enough for people to notice. That is how making money online becomes more than a dream. It becomes a real business.